June 21, also known as summer solstice, is the longest day of the year. Therefore, it was decided that the International Yoga Day would be celebrated on this day. PM Modi, during his speech at the UNGA, said, "Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well being. It is not about a exercise but to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world, and the nature. By changing our lifestyle and creating consciousness, it can help in well being. Let us work towards adopting an International Yoga Day." Practiced in India since the 5th century, yoga has been beneficial in keeping the body and mind in sound health. A holistic approach, yoga targets all the different systems of the body and mind. It is said that the asanas make the body strong and flexible. As health improves, the mind too is renewed with confidence. The practice of pranayam regulates the purification of the internal system and the organs, acting as a superior and able supplement to the energy that is generated in the body through these physical practices is then channeled into meditation or dhyan for stability, peace, and calm.
Benefits of Vajrasana. Vajrasana helps in keeping your mind calm and stable. It helps in relieving back and knee pain. It also helps in curing the digestive acidity and gas formation.
Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana is a pose that resembles the rising head of a cobra. Bhujangasana is best known for its ability to engage the lower back, shoulders, and chest. Setu Bandhana Asana. Setu Bandhana Asana is a pose in which the body is inversely bent in a U position or a bridge position. There are many benefits of Setu Bandhana Asana. Setu is a Sanskrit word meaning the bridge and Bandha meaning bind.
Trikonasana is a yoga standing pose that tones the legs, reduce stress, and increase stability. The word Trikonasana comes from Sanskrit word tri meaning three, kona meaning angle, and asana meaning pose. It is one of the best yoga exercise to increase an height. Naturally, because it strengthens the back and brings flexibility to spine, which leads to increase in an height. This pose can reduce stiffness in back and spine, resulting flexibility.
Shashankasana. Shashankasana is also known as hare pose or rabbit pose. Shash means rabbit and Ank means lap. It is helpful in getting rid of constipation, releases the stress from spinal vertebrae, and stretches the back muscles and makes them stronger.
Asana is balancing asana in modern yoga. It strengthens our arms. It also stretches our upper back.
I'm going to be telling all about Padmasana, which is also called lotus pose in English. This pose stretches your ankles and knees. It helps you for your brain. It is very helpful for developing your body structure and even concentration. So let's go. So let's start with our lotus pose. You have to sit comfortably. How you sit, fold your legs. You have to take your right leg on your left thigh and your left leg on your right thigh. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue this for 10 to 20 seconds. Thank you so much and happy International Yoga Day.
Today I am going to tell you how to do Chakrasana. So let's see. After the Chakrasana, I am going to tell you the benefits of Chakrasana. Let's start the Chakrasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The benefits of Chakrasana. The chest expands and the lungs get more oxygen. This makes the asana especially beneficial for the asthma patient. It reduces the stress and tension in the body. Sharpen eyesight. The asana helps the strengthen the back and increase the elasticity of the spine. Thank you.
It will make our toe spine flexible. It also helps us in increasing our height and improving our digestive system, removes constipation and increase the lungs capacity.
Benefits of Vrikshasana. It improves balance and stability in legs. It assists the body in establishing pelvic stability. It improves alertness and concentration. It improves your neuromuscular coordination. It also strengthens the ligaments and tendon of the feet. Vrikshasana. Thank you.